How to use back tap feature on iOS 26. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here click on utilities folder. Now here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down, you will see second option is accessibility, so click on accessibility. Now here scroll down, you will see first option is touch, so click on touch. Now here scroll down to end, you will see back tap, so click on back tap. Now here you will see, so click on double tap and triple tap. So select feature from here, so I will select screenshot. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So if you want to test, so you will see, click on back, you will see screenshot is captured, so it's worked properly. So that's how you can use back tap feature on iOS 26. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.